Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to follow someone on Spotify. To follow someone on Spotify, first of all, open up the Spotify application and log into your account. Once you're logged into the home page, go ahead and tap on the search icon at the bottom of the screen. Now go to the search box at the top and type in the username or the profile name of the person that you are trying to follow. After typing down the name, select their profile from the list and tap the follow button underneath their profile picture. After you do that, you will be following the contact. Now you will be able to see their public playlist and updates. That is how you easily follow someone on Spotify. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials like this. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.